morning, everyone. Lola Femi here. I just want to tell you a follow-up video on how to root the dying hoya for today. But before that, I just want to show you my breakfast. I had picked some of my fruits and my lemoncito. It's a small lemon in my backyard. So, you know, this one is giving me fruits for whole year. Good vitamin C, source of vitamin C. I picked some of the flowers also, California plumeria, and the other one is the rose, which is the most, it smells like roses. This is the rose. Okay, and of course I have some hibiscus here that I pick up along with the flowers and some of the orange here. And I just want to let you know, guys, that I had already renamed my channel from Lola Loves Plumeria Maranatha to Lola Femi's Lifestyle. So I will be teaching you not only gardening as well as just to share it to you also my lifestyle, what I'm doing here in America. And so I can tell you one day about how I came to America and how I got my citizenship here soon. For the follow-up, I would like to open up the dying plumeria. If you remember this one is the one that I root them, the yellow dying hoya. Last time it was a 20 days already, so now I'm gonna open it up for you to see what happened to that hoya. I'm unboxing it. Ta-da! Wow, look, guys, can you see the roots? I'm gonna put it up one by one. Look at the roots, beautiful roots, a lot of roots for 20 days. But the hoya, the yellow one, didn't die. It continued on, and the branches were full of roots. That one too, and this one. Look, guys, see, remember I put them one by one in this container on August, I think it was 11, and 20 days after, this is the result. Now I can pot up individually by the nodes. This is one plant, and this one is another plant, and this one too. So how many do I have here? A lot. So we were able to root them. They're almost dying, and no more. They don't have any more. You know, for others, they thought it's already dead. But look, guys. So there's always hope by doing this way. And this one too. This one didn't root as the others, but I can see some little bit roots coming out from the branches here. So we can also plant this one, ready for planting. And out, there's a node that I think is flowering here too. Okay, so that is the result of the dying hoya, yellow hoya that we did on part 1. So this is the part 2. Let me put this away for a while, because I'm going to show you a 1 week hoya also that I rooted. So but these are not dying, these are the healthy ones. This is a 1 week, guys. Very easy to root. Look, wow, voila. Look, guys, oh my. I'm so blessed. Look, let me see. This one are not yellow. As you can see, there's a difference. I'll show you. Look. Look at the roots. Can you see the roots? It's root all over. Some are not really growing up, but the white one, these are shooting up roots. Okay? So I also did that. This one, not yet. I think it's too young. So I'll put this away. But this one, the branches that are matured are easy to root. Look, guys. See? I'm just gonna show you so that you would know. There you go. Oh my gosh, it's really, 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 really amazing. See, this one is straight. It's long stem, and I just fold them into, fitted them inside this container. Now this is also ready to pot up. So we will pot them up later. Okay? Yeah. And the second one, let me put that away for a while. Another one I made also the same time. It's a 1 week rooting in water. And this is a little bit tight. Okay, there you go. Wow! Again, guys, look. We have another rooted hoya. Oh, look, guys. See? Can you see it? This one is one. You can propagate as many as you can in hoya. It's not really hard to propagate it in water, as long as you put them in a tight container like this one. This one is also coming out. Not too many like the other ones, but they are already rooting. When you see white thing that's coming out from the branches, that is already means that they're shooting up already some roots. And then look, when I cut this off, I was looking on this one. This one is a flower, inflorescence. This flower, I didn't cut them off. They said that if you don't cut them off, they would again shoot up another flower. See, this one, look, guys, only, okay, so there's some also root coming out from here. It's only for 1 week. These are the healthy ones. Look at the difference. The healthy and the yellow. So you can see the difference now. Okay? Okay, stay tuned because I'm going to pot them up. I'm gonna show you how to pot them up individually. Thank you. Let's continue, guys. Now I'm going to show you how to pot up your hoya after you have already rooted it. And I have a special kind of soil that I use for my hoyas. This one is a combination of 30% of perlite, 30% of big R, which is the redwood or red chips, and a soil. And a little bit of chicken manure. Okay, so but before you do that, make sure that when you cut your hoya, you need to sterilize. I have here a antiseptic hand sanitizer gel, which is 80% ethyl alcohol. It will kill the germs. So now you just have to pump it, and then it's okay. You can use your hands. You have your hands. I already washed my hands as well too. Okay. Now, after you've done that, it's time for you to put in the cut off first the separate the nodes of the hoya, and this one is one. There's a lot in one, so you can cut the whole thing like this. Then you can put it there. And this one is because they had their own roots. You can cut it off like this too and put it there. And this one is one leaf only, but this will grow also as one plant. And this one you cut them like this. You divide with the one with the roots, and this one is only one. Here, like that. So now, I'm gonna show you. It's very easy to pot up. I know some of you who are expert in planting. So on this one, I guess I can do that too, but we can put them together in one or two, like that. So what you do is put in first the this one, the soil, like this. Oops. Maybe half. Once you have the half, then put it down like this with the roots down and the branch down, like so, like that. See how easy to pot it up, guys? Very easy. Make sure that the roots goes inside the soil, and this one too. See, very simple, and yet it's very easy because we have a very good soil here that I put them together. So this one, see, make sure the roots are down, and put the you know, this one. So there. This one too, easy. Maybe two scoops, and then put it down like that, and then put the soil on top of the roots. See, that's how easy, guys, to pot up this one. There. Later, I'm gonna show you some of the things that I did. On this one, we can put them together with two, but I opted to make it one only. One each plant. So it's better. You know, when you sell them to the public, if you have already propagated it this way, it's easier for you to sell it. There. See? You don't have to separate two more, because you make more money this way. Okay, there you go. That's it. Compact a little bit, and if there are some more roots coming out, make sure that you will have to put in more soil. There. And the rest, I will be potting up later. I'm just going to show you guys how easy to pot up your rooted hoya. They're really very, very easy. There's one more here. Let me see, one leaf, two nodes. There. It's very good here in California because the weather is the sun is out, but it's almost 12 o'clock. But you can feel the sun. You cannot see the sun because it's overcast. They call it overcast. There. I think I still have one more, and we're done. And the rest I will not show you. You already know what to do. You will have to there. See, guys, that's how I propagate my hoya. Rooting them and propagating them at the same time, and potting them up. It's very easy, guys. Easy as 1, 2, 3. Hey, I have the truss. The city is picking up my truss today, so you can hear the sound. Pat it like that, and then put the water. Put the water there. Okay, Gotta sign off now. I will show you later some of my hoyas that's already been 5 months old from just from this. And then you have to put the water. We have some water. Okay. Like that. Signing off. Talk to you later. Please don't forget to like, comment, share, and subscribe to Lola Femi's Lifestyle. Thank you.